Hello, that's Hayley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for October 7th. So what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones? In the Eastern Pacific, we've got Tropical Depression Simon. In the Northwest Pacific, we have Typhoon Vongfong. And in the North Indian Ocean, we have what is right now probability zone, who is most likely going to turn into Hudhud pretty shortly. In Mexico today, we've got the possibility for strong winds here, intense rains here and here. In the United States, we've got this slight risk area for severe thunderstorms. More on that later. In Canada, warnings in effect at the moment for snowfall and rainfall. So cyclone-wise, three different things going on. Over here, we have Tropical Depression Simon, who is, of course, headed for land. We've got over in the Northwest Pacific, Typhoon Vongfong, who is apparently the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane. So that is a big storm. And in the North Indian Ocean, this thing that at the moment is a high chance of tropical cyclone formation, but most likely Hudhud. So with Simon, here's some satellite photos of this system. You can tell moving closer and closer to officially making landfall. Land hazards on this one, of course, are rainfall, dangerous surf conditions. It is at least weakening, but of course, the weaker it gets, the more it tends to drop massive quantities of rain. Typhoon Vongfong, I believe at the moment is far enough away from land masses that there's no direct land hazards, but the equivalent of a Category 4 hurricane, and it has a really super well-defined eye. Hudhud. So right now, at the moment, it's not officially even a tropical depression, just a zone of probability, but a high chance for tropical cyclone formation. And of course, most of the models showing it with this sort of trajectory. So obviously, people in this area along the coastline should stay advised and keep informed with what's going to be happening in the next few days with this potential storm, Hudhud. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. Here's what's happening at the moment. We've got 2 tornado warnings in effect, apparently, and 4 severe thunderstorm warnings. So all of it basically occurring in this general area at the moment. In general today, 5% chance for a tornado for this area, 2% out here on the coast, 15% chance for the 58 mile per hour and greater winds, and 15% chance for the 1 inch or larger hail, and of course the 5% back there. Tomorrow, at the moment at least, they're just predicting a 5% chance for the severe thunderstorms for those areas. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.